Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. I am Adam.
I'm Jazz.
And we are back here at the Disneyland Resort. It's been like, I don't know, 12 days for me since I've been here. I know that doesn't seem that long to some people, but like, trust me, it's been a while. Like, especially when like we're here all the time. I haven't pin traded in a very long time either, so I'm very excited to get some new pins. Hopefully, we can find some stuff on the board.
Last time I was here, I found absolutely nothing.
Yeah, so hopefully we can find something today. And I don't know, I feel good right now. I'm well rested. Got my Starbucks drink. It's not that very good today, but
we went to a different Starbucks. Don't go to a different Starbucks. Stick to your favorite Starbucks.
But yeah, there's these set that Jasmine wants. She only wants like 2 of them.
Yeah, I refuse to buy a pack because they're $40, and I only want 2. So hopefully I can trade for them in Frontierland or something.
And I think I might buy like one of the new Marvel boxes again, like the villains one. I haven't even seen them in person. Well, just the ones that she had, but that's pretty much it. So hopefully I can trade for some that I don't have. Like I really want the Venom and the Magneto. No, you got me Green Goblin.
2 Green Goblins.
Yeah, 2 Green Goblins.
Did you bring them?
I did, yeah. So hopefully I can trade those out, and hopefully I can get some PowerLimes today. I doubt it, but yeah, that's pretty much it, guys.
We're in Vegas, by the way.
Yeah, the vlog's coming out soon with my Vegas vlog. Sorry, I don't know, that caught me off guard. But
I was like, we were.
yeah. All right, guys. So we'll see you now. All right, these are the pins that we brought to trade on the boards. Hopefully we get some good stuff. Shout out to Jasmine for her nails.
Yeah, a moment for my nails.
A moment.
I just got them done.
Nice. But yeah, guys, hopefully we find some stuff. The first store we ended up coming to is the Emporium, and right away they have the Pride merch. A lot of its stuff is brand new. I actually like the Spirit jersey. It's not like, I mean, there's a lot going on, but like that's what makes it look fun.
I really like this bag. It's really cute. $39.99.
I have this one, this shirt. But yeah, they have some glassware as well right here. Set of 2. They have
A wine bottle thing.
a wine bottle stopper. I've never seen one of these in the parks.
I
Very
love
nice.
iridescent things. This is $29.99.
They have the bottle in the backpack with that design as well. Oh, and they have New Year's. They also have this button-up shirt. This one retails for $59.99. I was gonna say that one's kind of cool. You want to get it or no?
That's up to you.
No. This Spider-Man set came out a couple days ago. I don't know. Like I said, I haven't been here in a while, so I have no idea when it came out. But
$29.99.
it's here, $29.99, pack of 4 for the brand new Into the Spider-Verse movie. And Jasmine saw these.
I have to get these.
If you know, she's now a rocket collector.
I might come home with this one. I might wait on this one.
Why not both?
I don't know. I'll wait. I like them both, but I can't justify coming home with both today.
I can.
Oh my god.
What are they retail?
$17.99, which is not terrible for a movable pin. Those are usually a little bit more. They're cute.
Here's these new magic bands. Like again, I haven't been here in a while, so I don't know if people have shown them yet. But right here for $64.99, the Steamboat Willie, the Horace. These are really cool. I would assume they're very limited edition. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Wait, look how she clips. I need this.
I need this too.
No.
Oh my god!
You already have Kermit hanging on your backpack. Teal, how much is teal?
I've never seen this before. I need this. We got this Marvel box out here. We're gonna try to get one of these. Hopefully I get the Venom. If not, the Thanos or another Doom for my man David right here.
Yeah, okay, dude.
Yeah.
I just saw Adam here with his wife now. Dude.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you,
Thank
man.
you.
Married? Let's see what you get.
Alright, Loki.
Loki.
Not bad. Ultron.
You didn't want
Ultron,
either.
dude.
I don't want any of these, but it is what it is.
Loki. Trash box, dude.
Trash.
Damn it.
So just a quick update. These are our trades we got from Frontierland, the bottom row, and then these were from the unboxing, which
Didn't go so well, but it's okay because I know these will make good traders.
They will.
I know people like Ultron, me not being one of them, and I know people really like Loki, and
Or-
again, me not being one of them.
or these will make great traders for the Cheshire waffle.
Or the Jack.
Yeah.
Or the
Are
Simba.
there any you want of
No.
the waffles?
No,
None.
I'm good.
Not the Dumbo?
I'm good, love, enjoy. There's no
I'm
Dumbo
just
on
kidding.
it. Yeah, relax, relax. Nothing.
Down bad.
Yeah, it's pitiful.
Tiny little photo.
That's interesting. Don't look at my nails, guys. It's embarrassing. Too much glare. Okay. Thank you. Nothing. I know they had like some like scented ears before. I think they had like waffles or whatever, but yeah, but these beignet ones actually smell like beignet. Beignet all day, $44.99. All right, I know they smell like beignets. See anything, Jen?
No.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
P for Papa's.
It's a Papa's part. Why are you so mad? You can please tell me you guys know that TikTok.
Okay. We can work on this?
Yeah. We got Nemo, Peter Pan, Pinocchio, Aladdin, Cars, Toy Story.
I'll try Toy Story.
I don't know if I've asked you guys this before. I know I've seen you.
Oh.
Okay, let's see. What is Andy's sister's name? Yes. I knew
Good
that.
job.
Come on, you like Toy Story.
I was gonna say Molly.
I need to long.
Let's see. Want any of these?
It's up to you.
I'll take the King John.
King John?
Yeah, we'll do that one.
Who is
Yeah.
this? Is that Tinkerbell? No, Fantasia. Okay, I'm playing.
Hello. Oh my God, you can't make this stuff up. Jazz has no idea that I just grabbed this from the board. She's about to flip.
Where did you get this?
Right here on the board.
Shut up.
Swear to God.
Oh my god.
They literally just dropped it right in front of us.
Oh my god. Thank you.
Mhm.
I stepped away for like a minute.
Yeah.
I would have freaked out.
No problem. I'm gonna get this piglet back. There you go, Jazz. It's good karma.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's cool. I didn't know
Kind of like this pen. I'm gonna grab it.
Like you think it.
Nah, this guy's nuts. Somebody get him down. Somebody get him down. No, get him down, bro. How did he even get up there? Alright guys, I have a little bit of a confession to make. What is it? Saturday night, me and Jasmine started watching Moana, but then she fell asleep.
I did.
So it was
I
good.
worked all day and I
They-
came home
they were
and
cooking.
I thought I could hang.
That movie was kind of cooking. I can't lie. But honestly, there's a lot of information for a kid to retain. So, you know, I don't know how kids really receive it or like just, you know, follow along with it. But for me, I was like, wait. So I was like, But we're gonna finish the movie soon.
Hope so.
We have about 1 hour left. So.
Halfway through, maybe halfway.
Yeah. All right, guys. You know the deal. I'm over here back in Toontown. Gonna try to get my PowerLimes. I have seen people on stories and stuff that have it, so hopefully I can get some. All right, guys. They finally have the PowerLimes here. This is literally what I've been waiting for. I've been looking for them for so long. Alright, I was following around Pluto and Pluto started forming a line, but to be honest, Pluto was not ready for what I was about to do. Anyways.
Well, I was nervous.
Got the PowerLimes, baby. I'm stoked. We're trying right here. It's already going bad.
Are they sticky?
A little bit. Ooh, they smell really good. You're gonna like this one, guys. Here. Try it.
Thanks.
These are really good. Jazz is not really a taffy person, but I am. But, oh man, these are so good. You really taste the lime. Who would have known, right?
It tastes like lime sherbet.
10 out of 10, recommend it. Get you a PowerLines if you can. What you got there, Jazz?
Oh, just this little handy dandy water bottle holder. It's really convenient, okay? You just snap it on any water bottle and it just hangs on your bag.
I asked her if that was like weighing down her bag, but then she was like, well...
I usually put it in
Yeah.
my bag, so there's no difference.
So... Right here in the It's a Small World shop, they have a lot of the new Little Mermaid merch. A lot of it is stocked up pretty well, but I'm sure after the movie comes out, a lot of it will fly off the shelves. Me and Jazz are very excited to see it. We have tickets for this Thursday, so can't wait to see it. We're hyped. Nothing. Damn.
Wrong, yeah.
Nothing. Nothing.
Then.
Sleeping Beauty. What is this? It's película. Oh, okay. A magical house. It's a magical house. Everyone has powers. Except for one friend and she's the main character. Yes, that's it. You killed it, bud!
So here's our haul for the night. This row and this row, these are all board finds, and then everything on the bottom was Frontierland trades.
Ended up trading out the Loki pin for the Jack one. Normally I don't trade out the new pins that I just buy, but I was like, well,
I really
this
needed
yeah,
it,
this
sorry.
one. No, it's all good. That's what I'm saying. Like, that's a good trader pin because I'm not really a fan of Loki, but I know for sure Jasmine needed this one.
I just need Simba of the waffles, so maybe next time. But
There's like 16 of these, I believe, but
Yeah.
Jasmine only wants 4, so
yeah.
that's not so bad.
That's why I couldn't justify buying the bag, so I was like, oh, I'll trade for them, and I did. So
And I found this one. We were like kind of terrorizing this one board, the same one I found this this one at, and I was like, you know what? That's a really cool pin. I've never seen one like that, so I'm gonna get that one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, we had a pretty successful haul,
yeah.
I would say. All right, guys, that's it. Another trip at the books. Had a lot of fun at the parks today. Honestly, it was really one of the better days we've had in a while.
Pinboards were great.
Pinboards were on fire. Did an unboxing. What else did we do? Just other stuff. But yeah, guys, we had a really good time here. Like I said, yeah.
Found PowerLimes.
PowerLimes.
They were delicious. They lived up to the hype for sure.
Yeah, definitely need to get some more. I'm probably gonna display one. I'm gonna build like a little case for it and just put it up there and just look at it every morning and be like. Anyways, next time you see Kermit, he will have a new outfit that remains to be seen of which one. I have multiple outfits for him.
Closet.
He does.
I'm not even joking.
Yeah, so gotta do that for him. And
I forgot Marie today. My bad.
yeah, but it's all good. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed that video, please do leave a like, comment, and or subscribe if you are brand new here. And if you aren't already, please do consider following us on Instagram. We're having a good time over there. I don't know what else to say. But yeah, guys. Oh yeah, Adam Crispins with the Z. There you go. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.